Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 11 updated and you have administrator rights because installations often need elevated access. Next, download the official 64-bit Python installer and verify its integrity. This avoids corrupted installs. Once downloaded, run the installer and make sure to check Add Python to Path. That step saves time and avoids manual environment configuration later. If you prefer manual control, choose Customize Install and note where the executable will be placed. Once the installer runs, choose Customize Install to include pip, documentation, and optional tools like TCL/TK and idle so you can use packages and GUI libraries. If multiple user accounts need access, select Install for all users. This places Python in program files and avoids per-user path issues. After installation finishes, open PowerShell and run Python version and pip version to confirm. If commands fail, add the installed Python and scripts folder to path manually, and then restart the shell. To finalize, test the setup by running Python C print hello and installing a package like requests with pip install requests. This verifies both interpreter and package manager. If you encounter permission errors, rerun the installer as administrator or modify folder permissions. Many issues stem from write restrictions. If the Python command is not found, make sure the correct Python and scripts directories are in your user path, then close and reopen the terminal. One key tip: restart the terminal or system to apply path changes immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.